Forests are extensive areas covered predominantly by trees and undergrowth. Kenya's forests include indigenous forests, like the Mau forest, plantation forests, like those in Mount Elgon and Mt Kenya, and mangrove forests along the coast. These forests play a vital role in the ecological, economic, and social development of the country. Forest products include timber, fuelwood, charcoal, medicinal plants, resins, gums, and fruits. Significance of forests and forest products to Kenya. 1. Source of raw materials for industries. Forests provide timber and wood, which are essential raw materials for industries such as furniture making, paper and pulp production, building, and construction. These industries contribute to Kenya's economy through employment and export earnings. 2. Employment creation. The forestry sector provides both direct and indirect employment to thousands of Kenyans in activities such as logging, sawmilling, tree planting, charcoal making, and transport of forest products. It also supports community-based forest conservation initiatives. 3. Revenue generation. Forests contribute to national income through the sale of forest products, licensing of forest harvesting, and ecotourism. The Kenya Forest Service, KFS, and other agencies collect revenue from permits and forest use charges. 4. Conservation of water catchment areas. Forests such as the Mau, Aberdare, and Mount Kenya serve as important water catchment areas, storing and regulating water for major rivers like the Tana and Athi. This supports agriculture, hydroelectric power generation, and domestic use. 5. Regulation of climate and rainfall. Forests play a key role in climate regulation by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, reducing greenhouse gases. They also influence rainfall formation through transpiration and act as windbreakers, reducing the impact of storms. 6. Prevention of soil erosion. Tree roots bind the soil, while the forest canopy reduces the impact of raindrops. Forests thus help in maintaining soil structure and fertility, especially on hills and slopes, and protect agricultural land from erosion and degradation. 7. Source of fuelwood and charcoal. A large percentage of Kenya's rural population relies on fuelwood and charcoal from forests for cooking and heating. Forests are, therefore, crucial for meeting the energy needs of many households, especially where electricity is unavailable. 8. Support to biodiversity and tourism. Forests are home to diverse plant and animal species, some of which are endemic or endangered. They attract ecotourists, researchers, and conservationists, promoting ecotourism and contributing to foreign exchange earnings. 9. Cultural and medicinal value. Forests are rich in medicinal plants used by local communities and traditional healers. They also hold cultural and spiritual significance for many communities, serving as sacred sites and places for traditional ceremonies. 10. Carbon sequestration and climate change mitigation. Forests absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis, thus playing a critical role in climate change mitigation. Reforestation and afforestation efforts in Kenya are key components of sustainable environmental management.